Today marks 5 years since the day a Denver judge, well, it's a day he'll never forget. David Blackett was stabbed in the heart inside his home on August 18th of 2019. Well, 2 years ago, your investigator, Brian Moss, was the first to speak with him about what happened. Blackett told Brian he credits the doctors and other first responders at Denver Health with saving his life. Today, on the 5-year mark of that day, your reporter Tori Mason joined Blackett and those doctors and nurses for a very special brunch.
Something savory, something sweet.
For Judge David Blackett, this is bigger than a brunch.
All right, anyone hungry?
His last meal would have been years ago, if not for the people at Denver Health.
Everyone had to be their best self that day, or else I wouldn't have made it.
The hospital was Blackett's home after he was stabbed in 2019. Without anesthesia, doctors opened his chest. A stranger's knife plunged in his heart. No pulse, no breathing.
Who loves sprinkles?
No heartbeat.
When I woke up, I thought, I'm going to make this one of the best things that ever happened to me.
Every year, he returns on his Alive Day.
This is a small token, so.
To thank the doctors and nurses who saved him.
Not very few people do that, but thank you very much. That's really appreciated.
Healthcare workers got parades of praise for their efforts during COVID, but as cases weaned, so did the gratitude.
When I see Denver paramedics, I'll yell, "You saved my life!"
Every chance, he reminds them they're heroes.
How has it changed your perspective?
And reminds us all how fragile life can be.
Working here has really made me feel like I should appreciate the small things and fly down to see my parents.
Blackett rarely thinks about the man who put him here, but rather all he can do because of those who got him out.
I've been a public servant most of my life too, and I know that I want them to be reassured that it works.
In Denver, I'm Tori Mason.
I'm so grateful.
Covering Colorado First.